Hello guys. So can you hear the wind? It's really destroying my hair today because sometimes it's like super windy and the next minute it's like not windy at all, so that's why my hair is looking like this. um but we have to deal with it, right? So I just wanted to share my weekend plans with you, and I hope you share yours with me because I think you have the right to know what exciting thing I'm doing. Like at the moment I'm just like chilling here, but today I'm gonna help a friend who recently moved into another apartment, so that's what we have to do. Like it's gonna be super tough because she has so many things, but yeah, like maybe some of you have time, like maybe I should call some of you to help because I'm just a little girl. I cannot do all of this.